Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in this 2015 Ford F-550. This has the 10-cylinder gas engine in it. So you look to the right here, here's your air filter box. You don't need any tools for this job, which is nice. You look on the left side here, there's 3 of these black plastic clips. You just pop these off like so. There's one underneath here. And then you can lift this up and out of here. It does require some effort since this is just so awkward and heavy. And you can see there's actually these little clips here. It kind of sits down and in like this, so you have to hinge this side up and pull it out. Okay, before we pull this box off, we're going to disconnect this sensor here. There's a little red clip under here. Just pull it out like this, and then just grab a hold of this connector and pull it out. That way, when you pull this out of here, this wire won't get caught and hung up. So now we can go ahead and pull this thing out of here. Alright, so that's up there. I just prop it up on that coolant reservoir cap there. Okay, here's the filter. Just pull it up and out. As you can see, this is pretty dirty, so we're due for a new one. And always check inside the air box to make sure there isn't any, chunks of debris, leaves, or whatever, dirt, whatnot. If there is, you can get a vacuum. I like to do that and suck everything out of here, clean it up a bit. Here's the air filter I chose, Purolator. There's your part number. This is the filter itself. As you can see, made in USA, which is awesome. So go ahead and plop this right down into position. You can only go in one way. It looks like a square, but it's not. It's actually a rectangle. So once you get it in there, then we can go ahead and put that lid back on. Just remember, you got to put this right side in first. There we go. That's ridiculous. Alright. Put your sensor back on. Your wiring back on there. Clip it in. Push that red clip in. And last but not least, these little clips here. Swing them up into position. Last one in the back. Okay, good to go. Get this open to page 443. Replace engine air filter every 30,000 miles. Again, this is for the 6.8 liter 10-cylinder gas engine. If you're in dirty conditions, sandy area, a lot of off-road use, replace it sooner. So I actually replaced this one at 15,000 miles because it was due. It was dirty, as you can tell. That was due for replacement. Okay, guys. Hopefully that helps you out. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.